Aguri Power Clean cordless pressure washers let you clean anything, anywhere. Battery-powered, compact and lightweight, Power Clean can be assembled in seconds and comes with a rechargeable battery, providing the ultimate in cordless pressure washing on the go. As there is no bulky, heavy power unit or trailing cables, it is far more convenient to use than a traditional pressure washer. Simply click the battery into place and you're ready to wash. Draw water straight from a bucket. Connect to a hose. Power Clean can be used wherever there is a source of clean water. Use Power Clean to wash just about anything. Cars, vans and trucks, motorhomes and caravans. Garden furniture. Hearths, patios and decking. Windows and windowsills. Bikes, barbecues, camping equipment. Aguri Power Clean, the ultimate in cordless pressure washing on the go.